put that out?
I did. I put it out. I'm gonna make my mom film this because I don't like it. So get over here and take the camera.
Oh my gosh. Where'd it go?
It's right there. You're getting a little close there.
Too closer.
Ew. Look at it. It's disgusting.
I can't even see it on the camera.
Are you pointing it in the right place?
Yeah, I am now. It's busy.
Freaking huge.
Oh, battery low.
Battery's always low.
It's fixing its web. Watch.
If it jumps out at me, I will pass out and pee myself.
A moment. Watch it.
Ew. I have to go.
No, watch.
It's so disgusting. Frankie's won't kill me. Yeah. Don't step in it.
She blew smoke on it.
I know, I blew on it. I didn't just blow smoke. It shook the web like that.
That's saying, get the fuck away from me. Oh my gosh, it did. Spider!
Wait.
Spider! Spider!
Stop.
Hey, Mr. Spider, quit.
It's stuck.
No, it's shaking it. It's scared. We're blowing at it. Oh! Woo! Whoa! I'm gonna laugh if it jumps on you.